Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are actually kind of redoing our living room. So we are going out today to buy a bunch of the stuff that we need for it. Since we moved into this house like 3 years ago, we really haven't done a whole lot of like decorating. We kind of just like put in what stuff we had. We have redone a little bit of our kitchen and entryway, just a bit, like changing flooring, paint, and that kind of stuff, but I really haven't like actually decorated, and I just want to have like a cute space, you know. I'm not the best with decorating, but I've definitely got some inspiration and ideas to decorate our small room. We are gonna go pick up some flooring that's gonna match what we have in the kitchen and entryway. Is kind of a grayish one. Hopefully they have it in stock, because honestly we should have just bought all of it for the whole house, but we weren't sure if we were gonna do carpet or like the hardwoods, but we decided to just do hardwood because that seems most popular, and we can always throw on a rug and, you know, brighten it up that way. We're gonna get that. We probably won't put it in till this weekend. We did already buy new couches. We already went furniture shopping for that a few weeks ago and got some gray sofas. We got a sofa and a little lazy boy recliner, which is nice. We did want to get a sectional, but we figured that would take up like all the space in our living room, and I don't want to close it off too much, so we went with the two pieces, which we've really been loving it so far. You guys will see that, and I also want to show you like a before and after of what it looks like, because honestly it's terrible. Like the carpet in there has been in there for probably like over 30 years. I don't even know. It's an older house. We never changed the carpet when we got in, but it's pretty gross. So we're gonna do that. Look for any other pieces. We do need to get a entertainment center TV stand, a little coffee table, maybe a bookcase, a rug, some wall art if they have anything. So we're on the lookout for that today. We're gonna go to, I think, Menards for flooring is where we got ours last time. If you guys in the Midwest, you guys know Menards. And also Homemakers in Des Moines is our go-to furniture spot. So that's what we're doing today. There's a TV stand I've been looking at, but I think it's out of stock, but I think it might be coming in soon. So let's hope that it's going to be soon, because I would love to have this certain one, but we'll see what else they have too. And of course I'll take you guys with me. So let's go ahead and go furniture home shopping. Okay, so here is the before of our living room, which we just had this furniture for, I don't know, since we got married basically. So our couch, these photos here, so I don't really care for them right there. I have just this mirror here just for outfit pictures. This little table over here, which I just set packages on, so it really has no use. I do need to paint our door still. It's a weird olive green, we just never got around to it. And then our TV stand, which I currently just have some candles on it, and this old carpet as well needs to go. It's been stained like this since we moved in, but we just never have replaced it. I think we're gonna put wood flooring in, and then over here in the little corner. So that is the before. Alright, so we actually went to Homemakers already and kind of picked out some stuff that we want, but we didn't buy anything yet just because some stuff isn't arriving until like next month. All the furniture places, it's crazy because a lot of stuff is out of stock, but we kind of have an idea of what we're wanting, so I'm gonna send that to my person at Homemakers, and she can tell me what she thinks that they're gonna have in stock and have available. Now we're at Menards and we're getting our flooring, so they still had our flooring, thank goodness, that we have everywhere. So I guess we're just gonna do that in the whole house, so you know, all easy, all one floor. This is what we have. This is the Great Lakes Vinyl Floors Legends Fieldstone color, which is like this weathered gray look. So we're getting that to put in, and that's gonna mostly go in the entire house. So that's what we are doing now. We're also picking up some paint because I want to paint everything white, because I was like, what color should I do? Pretty much my whole living room is a gray theme, so my floors are kind of gray, so I don't want gray walls. So we're gonna go with white. And just do all white trim, everything, because that'll be so much easier in decorating. So yeah, I'm excited to hopefully get this floor in this weekend. It's gonna make such a difference in the look. I picked out some rugs too at Homemakers that I think would be really cute too, so making some progress. Alright guys, so today we are putting in our flooring, getting rid of the carpet. We did a bunch of painting yesterday, so I changed the whole color. It looks so much brighter. It's crazy how paint really changes stuff, because we just had like not even that dark of colors in the first place, which you guys saw, but it looks so good with the new paint. And I'm gonna show you guys the process here that we're putting in the flooring. So we're about halfway done right now. and I think it's gonna look so good. We have half of it put in. This is the other half with the carpet. There's like another hardwood under here, but this is what we're doing, and this is what we painted. So we did, I can leave the colors in the description box if you're curious. We did this white color, which is from Menards, and this gray from Sherwin-Williams. So we did that, and we're still gonna put the bottom trim there. And then, sorry for the mess here, but we're also doing the trim like white like that. So far it's looking really good. All right, so this is how it looks right now. It's not really set up. I still have stuff everywhere. It's so echoey now that we got rid of our carpet. Turbo's here too, playing with his little laser toy. He keeps coming in and meowing to have me turn it back on. We did get these leather sofas like a couple weeks ago. I was a little worried about it with the cat tearing it up, but so far he hasn't really torn anything. So that's good because he still has his front claws. So I was a little bit worried about that, but I try to keep his claws trimmed. Now I open the windows and he wants to look out. But yeah, we did put in this flooring here. I will link this one or put it in the description box if you guys are curious about it, because I did get some questions on what we used. But yeah, we took out our nasty carpet. We still have some tools laying around because we need to put those away, and we're still putting the trim on the bottom. That's why it's not painted on the very bottom. All right, guys, next step in the living room process, we just got our new media console, which will be replacing this one that we've had, I think, since we got married. So we've had this for many, many years, and it is finally time for an upgrade. This one again is from Homemakers. We had to pre-order and it is finally here. I don't know if I showed you guys our rug either, but we got this as well from Homemakers to go in here since we did add the flooring in. It's kind of nice to have a little bit of cushion, add a little bit of color to the room. And then the rest of the furniture is supposed to be coming in also this week. All right, so it's been a few months and we've finally got pretty much most of the living room done. So I wanted to go ahead and share the final reveal. I don't have a lot of decor up yet because I still want to decorate for fall, but I'm leaving on a trip soon. So when I get back, I'm definitely gonna start decorating a bit more, but I love how it looks. It's such a big difference. So let me go ahead and share. So here's how it looks when you walk in. I try to keep it pretty simple for now. We will have a piece going here, a little dresser kind of thing to decorate with, so that will take up that open space, but I like to keep things pretty simple. So obviously the major change in here is definitely the floor, going to this beautiful kind of hardwood floor from originally gross stained carpet. And our couches. We had like a brown theme going on in here, and I love it so much more with the gray. It's definitely more modern. I was a little unsure of how I would like the gray with gold accents, but I honestly love it. I originally tried adding like a marble table, and I did not like it as much as I like the gold. So this is how it looks right now. And it's pretty much done. Just gonna add a couple more things. We just have a really small space here, so let's start over here with our couch. We have a leather gray sofa, and we went with this. I know leather's not super popular, but it's so comfortable, and this one is a Lazy Boy. It is from Homemakers, and what's nice is this one we got, it was in stock. A lot of sofas were on major back order. It's seriously the comfiest thing ever. So I was like, how can I like dress up a leather sofa, because they're so casual, but I think we did a good job with it. So we went with that, as well as the Lazy Boy recliner chair. I just set this pillow here. I still need to get a different pillow to go in this little pillowcase because this one's a little bit small for it, but it's just kind of like a boho looking pillowcase I literally got from Amazon. And then this table here, this little round table, it matches with our coffee table. This one is actually from Wayfair, and I just have this little glass vase here from Pottery Barn, and I put in some of this pampas grass because I've seen this all over the place. I love how it looks, especially for fall. I think you can decorate it with all year long, and this is from Amazon. I'll have everything linked down below. I do need to get new shades here. I don't really like having the whole window open, so I like having something there. I don't know if I like how that is. We did change our paint color too, which makes a huge difference in here to more gray. Originally it was like a taupey brown on the bottom and then cream on top. It looks so much better now with also the white trim. And then I have candles all over the place because I love candles. That one's just a Laura Mercier candle that they gifted. I have some frames behind the couch that I haven't put up yet. Those are gonna go, I think up here I have 4 gold frames to put some pictures in so we can still have some photos. And then I forgot to mention this. That's our TV speaker, by the way. This I also got off of Amazon. I've seen similar designs to this on Etsy, but I love how this looks, this little wall piece. I think it ties in really well with kind of the boho theming of the room. This lamp is from Target. I feel like it looks a little weird right now until I get this piece in. And then this circle mirror, I love how this just adds extra to the room. It's just from Target and I love it so much. I have this little basket from Marshall's. It has all of our cat stuff and cat toys in it. This rug here I love in this room. It has the golds and the blues mixed in. This was gifted from Homemaker, so you can find this exact one on their website. And I just love it. It just runs across most of the room. I got this glass round circle table, which I also love. This was really inexpensive on Amazon. It's just kind of annoying to clean, but I just love how it looks in here. It's glass on the top and on the bottom. This little white shelf that just has a couple of things like some coasters, our remotes. I put a candle in there, and then this little floral thing for now from Target. This piece is probably my favorite thing in here. This is our TV stand, and this was also gifted from Homemakers as well. That's pretty much where we shop, is Homemakers. If you guys are in Iowa, it's literally the best furniture store in Iowa. But if you don't live here, you can order these things, I'm pretty sure, on their website. And this was not in stock for the longest time, and it is in stock now, but they have very little left, I'm pretty sure. But I love this. It's by Coast to Coast. The quality on this is amazing. It's very inexpensive for what you get. I've seen this exact like TV stand for sale on other websites for a lot more. So that's our TV stand. Amazing. It matches so well in here. And our TV up there. I have a little candle burning from Bath & Body Works here. And then I have been storing candles in here because I just like how it looks. And it's gonna eventually have some Halloween decor too, but I have my Halloween candles up front and some fall ones. And then down here is our Nintendo Switch. And then it has extra drawers for storage, which I just kind of stuffed full of things. So I love that this TV stand has tons of storage. So I think that is pretty much it for the room. Oh, and I have this basket for blankets and stuff as well, which I've had that for years, so I'm not sure where it's from, but that's a little overview. I love how it looks. It just feels so complete, and it just feels pretty. It's definitely my favorite room in the house now. I can't wait to kind of redo some of the other ones, but that is the final kind of walkthrough of the room. Let me know if you have any fun suggestions for me. I'm definitely open up to ideas. I think that is it for the video. Thanks so much to Homemakers for the gifted items. I was really excited to be able to work with them on this project because it is somewhere that we already shop. Like, we already bought our couches there, and that's pretty much where I get all my furniture from. I absolutely love it, and they have the best customer service. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little room makeover, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.